What's going on, guys? I'm Ken and welcome to my channel, Sportsman's Chronicles. So right now we are on 74 West. We are headed to the Uwharri National Forest, where we are going to do a 3-day, 2-night hammock camp with a group of other hammockers. Saturday morning we're also going to do a day hike with another YouTuber, and then we are going to do a $5 meal challenge for camping on Sunday. So make sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss this because it's going to be a great time, and I'll see you guys once we get up to the Uwharri. All right, guys, so we made it to the Uwharri National Forest, and this is what I consider God's country. So this weekend we are specifically at the Yates Place campground, where we're going to be doing 2 nights and 3 days with the North Carolina Hammock Hangers group from Facebook. So I'm going to go find 2 trees, get set up, and I'm going to go hang out with some old friends and possibly meet some new ones. So I'll see you guys here in just a little bit. All right, y'all. We got a motorcycle. There are hammocks everywhere. It's kind of hard to tell up in there. We got a bunch over there, some over here, and then you have my setup. This is the hanging high hammock setup, and this entire thing was a gift. So we'll go over that a little bit later in the video. For dinner, we are having the beef bulgogi and kimchi rice. I picked these up at Tractor Supply store for $7.79. Got the Thai style coconut cashew curry and pork chili verde. So I'm gonna eat these, drink a Dr. Pepper, and then hang out by the fire. All right, y'all. Dinner time. Beef bulgogi and kimchi rice. Now, this is not the real thing that I've had in Korea, but hey, what can we say? So let's see here. I don't know if that's gonna focus. Oh, I dropped some. So that's what it looks like. Let's take a bite and see if we like it or not. It's not bad. I like the flavor. However, it calls for 8 ounces of water. I think it actually needs probably around 12 ounces of water because some of it's still a little crunchy. Well, excuse me. Sorry, I didn't mean to talk with my mouth full. But what we're going to do, guys, we're going to finish this dinner. Swallow it down with a good old-fashioned Dr. Pepper. And we're going to just go hang out by the fire and talk with some people. And tomorrow morning we're gonna meet up with another YouTuber and we're gonna go on a hike. So I'll see you guys in that video. This channel is gonna be a little bit different. I'm gonna do episodes. So basically this video is gonna lead up to a point, and I need you to subscribe. That way you can catch the next video to where it picks up, and it's gonna keep doing that. So it's going to be episodes. Hey guys, I'm Ken. This is my new channel, Sportsman's Chronicles. I appreciate each and every one of you being here. Don't forget, like I said, subscribe, like the video, drop me a comment down below, and let me know what you think.